Hi there, Sean here with another handy household tip presented by FH Fur. Here's the 411 on duct cleaning. Heating and cooling ducts become contaminated over time. Water deposits and accumulation of dirt, mold, and even vermin could be causing poor air quality inside your home. Why should you have your air ducts cleaned? If your system shows signs of visible mold, this is a sure sign that it's time to contact an HVAC technician for a duct cleaning. One of the nastiest parts of dirty ducts is that it's often infested with parasites and rodents. Clean airways are always in the best interest of everyone in your home. A buildup of particles may be released into your home as air passes through dirty ducts. An overload of dust is a sure sign that your ducts need to be cleaned. Clean ductwork will help you receive cleaner air in every room of your home while improving the efficiency of your HVAC system. For more indoor air quality tips, contact the experts at FH Fur to assist you with all of your heating and cooling needs.